But here's what's cool, guys. So with multi-around, you can take term A, and now you can link it to term B, and then you can take term B, and you could link it to term C, and then you could take term C, and you could link it to term D. So this is crazy. Think about this, because now you can take the term B in the middle, and that can actually be around 5 words from term A, and also at the same time around 5 words from C. And then term C is also around B and D. So you could see how you can link these together and make a sentence in variations of a natural language sentence to really maximize your results. And if you're still scratching your head, hang on here. It'll get a little clearer, I think. You can also do crazy things like this. You can do A1 or A2 or A3 around B1 or B2 or B3, around C1, C2, C. You can do something crazy like that, which is mind-blowing that this actually works, but it does, and it's awesome for natural language search. So here's an example, all right? Take a look at this. This is a really long string, and it's going to look really complicated, but I'm going to break it down one by one and show you what we have here, all right? So we're looking for the product managers with at least 3 years of experience. So I've got term A here. So I got in anchor product and in anchor manager. So that's going to be in their headline somewhere. And then I've got 3 to 35. That's term A. We're going to say, I want that to be around 2 words from term B, years. And I want that to be around 10 words of experience, term C. And then I want experience to be around 10 words from product manager or product management. And then I want product manager or product management to be around 10 words from technical or digital or software. And then I'm also going to say, okay, what about, I'm also want to add the words data science anywhere on their profile, collection anywhere on their profile, or management anywhere on their profile, or analytics anywhere on their profile. So this is just, I kind of did a little bit more research to find what are other terms that might be used for these kinds of people.